Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will the part 3 and that we'll see objective calculations. Here it says that solve the inequations and represent the solution set on the number line. So here 2x minus 3 is greater than 2 and this says it belongs to the L means the natural numbers. So now let us solve this question first. 2x as it is, this same, this goes on the other side, that will be plus 3. So this will be same. This is the same, so this is going to be 5, so x is going to be, this is multiplication, so this will get divided 5 by 2, that will be 2.5. So now we are going to see the natural numbers. 2.5 means it is greater than 2.5 means we can consider 3, the 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here we have to represent this one on the number line. So what will we do? We will write here randomly this 3 and 4, this will be there and this shows that it goes on. So the previous numbers, we can write 1 or 2 numbers. So these are the numbers, previous numbers. And then we have to show this one, this points over here, this 3, 4, and this is so on. So here is, this is shown, that is 2.5 is here. Now this is the question given and it is an integer. So here, if we take this two parts, so that will be 7x minus 2x. So this is going to be 3 by 4 and this will be 9 by 8. So this will be 5x. This is the same. So here will be multiplication. So this will be 6 plus 9 by 8. This is the same. So this will be 15 by 8. So now this is actually multiplication. So it will go to the other side. So this will get divided. This is the same. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. Let us simplify this one. So that will be less than or equal to 3 by 8. So now here this is the integers, means we have to consider the negative and the positive ones. So 3 by 8, so that will be 3 divided by 8. So that way if we take here 0 point, that is 0.3. So that is we are going to consider 0 and this is the negative ones because 0.3 it is less than 0.3. So we are going to consider 0 and let us put some of the negative integers. So this is the solution set of it. So here we are going to consider this 0 and some of the negative integers, and this we can say the dot says that it goes on. So now here the whole numbers, it belongs to the whole numbers. So now let us solve this part. So 3x, this goes to the other side, that will be minus 5x. Same. This is going to be the same, minus 2 will be plus 2. So this will be minus 5 plus 3, that is going to be minus 2. So minus 2x is greater than or equal to minus 6. So here, now you can see both the places there is minus sign, so that will become, so this inequality becomes, it reverses. So this is going to be 6 by 2. So that will be 3. So that will be less than or equal to 3. So here the whole number means we are going to consider equal to this 3 should be there, but we are going to start with 0. So 0, 1, 2 and the last number is going to be 3. So this is shown on the, so we'll put here 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the number line. So we have taken 1 the previous number and 1 the last number. You can also take more of it. Here you can put 5, but the point should be just 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here now, these are the integers. So let us solve this part. So now let us take the x1 minus 3x. This will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 5x. This is the same, this is the same. So this will be plus 1 will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 1. So minus 5 minus 3 is going to be minus 8x. This is the same and this will be 16. So here will be x is less than or equal to, that will be 16 divided by minus 8, which is going to be 2. So this is going to be minus 2 because 2 divided by minus here 1, that is going to be minus 2. So you can also write this one as minus 2. So all the integers, so negative and positive one. So you will start with this because it's equal to -2. So we have to include -2, then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So here will be -2. This is the solution side and this is the number line -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this point should be here, the dotted ones, and so on. Now again, it belongs to the integers. So let us solve this one. So this is going to be 15 minus 3x is the same. So now let us keep x on one side. So this and this are here. This is the same, this is the same. Plus 15 will be minus 15. So here will be minus 3 and this is 1. So plus 1, that is going to be minus 2x is less than, this is going to be 8. So x is going to be 8 divided by this will be minus 2, which is going to be 4. So x is less than minus 4. So the integers means the negative as well as the positive ones. So it is less than minus 4 means it is going to be minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. And here will be 0, 1 and so on. So here will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is the number line. So here the whole numbers. So this will be the same. This is going to be, this you are going to multiply 1 into 6, that is going to be 6 plus 1, that will be minus 7 by 6. This is the same, this is the same. So we'll keep x on one side, this same, this same. Minus 7 by 6 is going to be plus 7 by 6. So here x by 3 is less than, the denominator is 6, so you are going to just add it, 12 by 6, which is going to be 2. So but here, now we can see x by 3 is less than 2, that means this will go on the other side, so that will get multiplied. So x will be less than 6. So less than 6 means, and this is a whole number, so you are going to consider this 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be the last number. So here will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here the previous numbers, we have to put 1 or 2 numbers. It depends. So these are the important points. Here again, the integers means here x minus x will go on the other side, that is going to be plus x. So this is going to be plus 1 by 2. So this 2x will be less than, here is 2. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 2 by 2, which is going to be 1. So here 2x will be 1. So x is going to be 1 by 2. And these are the integers means 1 by 2 means that is going to be 0.5. So you will consider, now these are the integers. So you are going to consider here 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Because this is less than 0.2 means it is going to be 0. So 0, minus 1 and minus 2 and so on. So these all points should be considered. So here 0, minus 1 and this we can put 1 or 2 points and this shows that it goes on. Now let us see how to solve this problem here. That is 2x minus 6 is less than or equal to 1. So x belongs to the natural number. Natural number means it starts with 1. So this will be 2x. This is the same, this is the same. So minus 6 is going to be plus 6. So this is the same. So this is going to be 7. So here will be x is less than or equal to, that will be 7 by 2, which is going to be, when you divide 7 by 2, we get 3.5. So now it is less than or equal to 3.5. So what we have to do, the solution set is going to be, first we'll start with 3 because we cannot take 4 because that is 3.5. So that will be, we have to take 3 and less than means we'll go backwards. That will be 2 and this will be 1. So what will be that? 1, 2, 3 and then we can add one number, 1 or 2 numbers here. So this is going to be 0, but the points are going to be 1, 2 and 3. Now these are the whole numbers, it belongs to the whole numbers. So when you solve this part, so this is going to be 3x plus 18. So this here, this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 3x. This is the same, this is the same. Minus 2 is going to be plus 2. So this is going to be 4x is greater than or equal to, this is going to be 20. So here x will be 20 divided by 4, which is going to be 5. So x is greater than or equal to 5. So now it is equal to 5 means, and these are the whole numbers. So here what we have to do, it is greater than. So first thing, equal means 5 should be there, and greater means it goes on. So we can write 2, 3 numbers and then put a dot dot, means it goes on. So we'll write here 4, 5, 6, 7 will be here, and here it goes on, and the previous numbers we can write 1 or 2 numbers, that is 3 and 4. So these are the main points. So now let us solve this one. It belongs to the natural numbers. So what we can see, there are 2 inequality signs. So what we'll do, we'll take this first part. So 11 is less than or equal to 3x plus 5. So plus 5 will go on this side, that is going to be minus 5. This stays the same. This is the same. This is the same. So this is going to be 6. This is less than or equal to, this is 3x. So this is multiplication. So this will go on the other side, that will get divided, which is going to be 2. So now let us take this as equation number 1. Now we have to take the next part, that is 3x plus 5 is less than 17. So this here the same, this the same, this the same, plus 5 will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 5. So 3x is less than here 12. So this is multiplication. So x is here less than 12 by 3, which is going to be 4. So x is less than 4. This will be the second equation. So for 1 and 2, what we can see, we'll keep here x. Now you can see here x is less than 4. And here what you can see, 2 is less than or equal to x. So x we already have here, 2 is less than or equal to x. So from this one, what we can see, 2 is less than or equal to x means 2 should be there because it is equal to. So we'll write here 2. And here is, it is less than 4. When we consider this and this part, so see, first we'll consider this and this part, means it is less than or equal to x, means x is greater than or equal to. So when you see this part, this is, here the mouth is opening at the x side, so that x is greater than or equal to 2. It will be like this, because always there is a confusion at this part. So that means it shows that x is greater than or equal to 2. So 2 should be written, and then we'll take this part, that is x is less than 4, means it should be 3. So only the solution set is going to be, that is going to be 2 and 3. So the main part will be 2 and 3 will be a one before number and the other next number. So this is the number line for this one. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.